If you have been diagnosed with fatty liver disease or NAFLD, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, you need to be incredibly careful about what you are putting into your body. Fatty liver disease is caused by an overconsumption of alcohol, but also an overconsumption of calories, as seen in NAFLD. Other causes of fatty liver include obesity, diabetes, or drug use with steroids. Some degree of fatty liver affects 1 in 3 adults in the United States. Most symptoms are not present until it is usually too late. People usually become aware of fatty liver disease through notification of elevated liver enzymes in blood tests, or the visual presence of fatty liver disease indicators that can be observed on an ultrasound. Some foods can help your body and fatty liver disease, while other foods can cause more harm or further damage to your liver. These are some foods you should eat, and also some of the foods that you should avoid if you have fatty liver disease. Helpful foods to eat to get rid of fatty liver. Salmon and other fish. Fatty fish including salmon and tuna contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids can help to reduce and improve fat levels in the liver. They will also help to reduce inflammation in the liver and around the body. Oatmeal. Oatmeal will give the body energy. Oatmeal is also high in fiber. This will allow you to have a feeling of fullness for a longer period of time. It is ideal for weight management. Eating less or fasting for longer periods of time between meals can decrease the symptoms of fatty liver disease. Coffee. Coffee can lower abnormal enzyme levels within the liver. Recent studies have shown that people with fatty liver disease who drink coffee have less liver damage than people that do not drink coffee. Green vegetables. Green vegetables will help to reduce the buildup of fat in the liver. They may also help with weight loss and allow you to reduce the number of calories that you are consuming. Some of the best greens to eat include broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. Eat tofu. A study found that tofu, due to its soy proteins, may reduce the fat buildup in the liver. Tofu is also high in protein and low in fat, which is good for the body and overall diet. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of energy and one of the best foods to eat for overall wellness. They are also high in omega-3 fatty acids. People that eat walnuts have seen significant improvement with liver functioning tests, which evaluate fatty liver disease. Avocado. Avocado is full of healthy fats, which will help protect the liver. Eating fat is not necessarily bad. You may want to fight fat with fat. Avocado may even be able to help slow down damage to the liver. They are also rich in fiber, which is needed for weight control. Green tea. Green tea is enjoyed by many and is very good for the body. Green tea can help with fat absorption. Green tea can also reduce the fat that is being stored on the liver. Green tea can also help improve the functioning of the liver and lower cholesterol levels, further aiding in recovery from fatty liver disease. Foods to avoid. Now that you know what you should eat, here are some foods you will want to avoid with fatty liver disease. What to avoid? Sugars. Sugars will increase your blood sugar levels and will increase fat building up in the liver. Added sugars are often found in candy, soda, and ice cream. Store-purchased baked goods are also high in sugar. When looking at the packages, avoid foods that are very high in sugar. Alcohol. This is one of the biggest causes of fatty liver disease that is not NAFLD. Alcohol will increase the deposits of fat in the liver and can seriously jeopardize your liver's health. It can even lead to other conditions including cirrhosis. If you have fatty liver disease, it is wise to avoid alcohol immediately. Refined grains. Processed and refined grains and carbohydrates that are found in white bread and pasta are bad for the body. In refined carbohydrates, the fiber is removed, which can increase blood sugar levels. Replace your refined grains with whole grains. Fried foods. Fried foods are high in calories and carcinogens that are present due to the frying process. Fried foods will also increase the possibility of you gaining weight. Obesity is another common cause of fatty liver disease. Many individuals who consume fried foods on a consistent and excessive rate are at risk for obesity and developing fatty liver disease. Saturated fats. While protein in meat is beneficial for the body, saturated fats may be harmful for the body if you have fatty liver disease. Meats high in saturated fat will increase the amount of fat that builds up in the liver if you have or are susceptible to fatty liver disease. If you already have fatty liver disease, it is best to avoid them. Salt. A diet that is high in salt can make the body hold excessive amounts of water. This is bad for the body. You should limit your salt intake to 1,500 milligrams a day. High salt intake has been shown to be very strongly associated with elevated risks of developing NAFLD. These are some of the foods that can help a person with fatty liver disease, and some foods that can be harmful. If you are experiencing fatty liver disease, or you believe you may be at risk for developing fatty liver disease, you need to pay careful attention to the foods that you are eating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and be sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. Also share this video with a friend who might enjoy it. And don't forget to check out the link and description below. As always, friends, we wish you great wellness and happiness.